Today's Midday Kentucky Cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. I'm over here with Chef Allison Davis, which what looks like I could be in Paris, France.
Know.
Not Paris, Kentucky.
This is totally a French dish.
Fruit, cheese, baguettes.
Bacon.
Oh. Oh.
All right, so we have a baguette. I love this. This is just like a nice sprouted sourdough baguette.
I want to know, where do you think is the best place to get a good baguette on a weekend?
I love
Like
Sunrise. I love Sunrise Bakery. It's local. It's downtown, right on Main Street.
Okay, downtown.
Bluegrass Baking Company is another one over in the Clays Mill Road Shopping Center. McGee's Bakery there on
Well, you've
Main.
given too many.
And then
People like
Martine's, you know, if you're talking
makes
about French. I don't know if she does bread, though. I mean, but she has that new bakery there, so they might be
I think it's more on pastries.
on pastries, but they're phenomenal.
And there's nothing better, I have to say to you, and I don't want to sound pretentious, but walking around Paris, downtown on a wintry day, in a brown
with a
paper,
baguette in hand.
with a baguette in hand, and
just eating it.
I'm not lying. It's the best taste you can ever have.
Oh, all right. Well,
Come on,
I'm
you got
doing
to
it.
agree.
Oh, yeah.
And it's slightly
well, I've not been
warm.
to Paris, France, but I've been to Paris, Kentucky.
Let's go to Paris,
We'll have to
Kentucky.
go to Paris, Kentucky, and do it with our bread and everything. Yeah, we'll get our berets.
I'll
and
do
go.
that. Oh.
All right, so we are going to do a play on a bruschetta or bruschetta,
All right,
right?
what's
this
this?
is mascarpone cheese. He's like he doesn't know. All right. So we are going to actually just kind of play on bruschetta.
Oh, that was just in my mouth.
Troy, you're killing me. He's like, let me try. I can't even get the dish fixed without him getting in here. All right, I'm taking a bit of mascarpone cheese. You could use cream cheese, and then we're going to crumble in some
Well, I better
blue
taste
cheese
that. Oh.
with it. Goodness.
Where'd you get that from?
This both came from just a local
Very good.
grocery store.
Okay.
So this is just a standard blue cheese, like Roquefort or something like that, something that's creamy, that's crumbly, right? And then we're mixing it in with our mascarpone, and that is going to be our spread, okay? That's going to go on our bread.
You want me to do
So all
that?
I'm doing, yeah, thank you, that'd be great. All I'm doing is just kind of taking some different flavors, like from fall, that we could add and we could layer. There's a lot of different things that you could do for bruschetta. I think people think of bruschetta as just like a
tomato,
summer
yeah.
dish, at the end of summer, and really you can go a lot of different directions with it. I've done a whole like olive tapenade. You could take a bunch of olives, mix them together in the blender, spread that on your baguette. In this case, what we're going to do is now you have your cheese mixture.
Yep.
So just take this and just start
I thought you were going to let me taste it.
No, we're just going to start spreading it on our bread, okay?
Start spreading the love.
I'm taking a pear. I'm using I believe this is
I think it's a Boschi pear.
a Bartlett pear. Bosc pear is what you think?
A B-O-C-H. You know,
well,
I
a
don't
fresh
understand
pear.
how to enunciate some of the words.
I do understand that.
But you know it's a Bosch.
All right. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So we have a little bit of fresh bacon going on top of our cheese. It's going to bring...
Oh, why aren't you dicing that?
I'm just doing layers.
Okay.
All right, so
'Cause
what
I know-
I am playing on is all the taste buds. You get a little bit of the salty from the bacon. You get a little bit of the sweet from the pear. You get the creaminess and a little bit of that, you know, kind of pungent flavor from the blue cheese. And then we could go on top of this with a little bit of honey, or this is something I carry in the store, which is a Cabernet Balsamic vinegar.
Are we going to let any of the crew have any of this?
No, we're not. So we're going to take this as like
This
a
is
little
just for
drizzle.
us.
I mean, this is gorgeous. And you talk about entertaining, how
This is-
easy and simple this is, but so elegant.
Hold on. Are you not going to cook this?
Yes, this is going to go in the oven.
Oh.
Just to kind of soften everything up. And then we could garnish it with just like a little bit of like fresh candied like walnuts for a little bit of a crunch.
No.
So I mean, as far as like entertaining and elegant appetizer, I think that is just spot on. And those are like my favorite flavors right there. That's definitely one of my favorite dishes. Sorry. Not sorry.
I'm telling you, you did good today, girl. If you want this recipe and many more, head over to Midday Kentucky's Facebook. What's the website?
WTBQ.com/recipes tab. Click on that and you'll
Do you know
get
why?
this. And you get to see Troy who's sitting
I got
here
confused
indulging.
because I'm not allowed to eat this, but I'm sneaking it. Back after this short break.